Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait a second. That's not a buffalo.
Welcome back to the Rural Stacker channel. Thanks for stopping in, neighbor.
Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for stopping in. I know you boys and squirrels are thinking that, hey, Rural Stacker, that's not a buffalo. This video isn't in portrait mode. You got a thumbnail? Finally figured out how to rotate your phone? Yeah, I get it. Listen, I live in the middle of nowhere. You know, that place where everybody's your neighbor, whether it takes 30 minutes to get from your house to their house or not. Yeah, well, we're not exactly known to be tech savvy, so we're learning. We're getting there. Let's talk about this 1 ounce gold eagle. Finally picked one up. And I have to say, hot take here, I don't really like it. Well, I mean, I do like it, but sitting in between these two buffalo, it just, I don't know, it's not as pretty as these buffalo are. If I had to, I'd probably sell it, or trade it. I'm not planning on ever selling any of my stack, but I think this would be the first one to go. I might trade it for a buffalo. I got it in part because I wanted to see, what it looked like. Got a good deal on it, so I feel like I had to have one in your stack. But yeah, I don't know, it just doesn't look as good between these buffalo. Still not really sure on these buffalo either. This proof set, I do think that this Indian here looks a lot better than the buffalo. You know what? Maybe we'll keep him flipped over. He can be the chief Indian. Flip up a couple of these guys. He can lead these Indians over here, and can have the eagle. There we go. Have the eagle, soaring over top of the buffalo, herd of buffalo. That would work. Yeah, I think we're on to something here. Got a nice little scene playing out. Might have to keep that one, but definitely not going to get any more. In the perfect rural stacker world, we would have ourselves, fractional buffaloes. I think the chief Indian here can hunt the majestic gold buffalo and its silver companions. Wow. Yeah, gold eagle is just soaring over top of everything, watching down. Yeah, I think we're gonna keep it. Just although now that I've flipped this coin over here and my little bison herd is looking pretty thinned out, just like the buffalo in the real world. They're looking a little extinct and endangered. Need to bring them back. Start building up some more buffalo coins.
until next time, keep on stacking and have a great day.